video is the unboxing of the Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Also, a DIY on how to return your trade-in back to FedEx. This is the Galaxy S21 FE 5G. This is my husband's phone. As you can see, it's a flat box. And this is what the phone looks like. Some kind of satisfaction out of opening up the paper. Oh wow. And there you have it. Now I'm going to set this phone up. Let me see if it's got a charge to it. Yep. It's beautiful. It's not a fingerprint magnet. So it says. While that is doing its thing, copy apps and C to USB Type-C. Now this one is doing its updates. So we already swapped out the SIM cards and everything. This is the phone we're going to take back. So make sure you take your SIM card out of the old phone, and if you have a micro SD card in it, make sure you take it out as well. I charged it up to 80%. So this phone still looks brand new. When you do your trade-in, it's going to be in your email. You got to copy the FedEx label. It's going to be in your Samsung receipt for your order. You're going to look in that email, and then you're going to click on Manage Order. And when you click on Manage Order, it's going to take you to another page. It's going to show you where your phone was delivered. Then it's going to ask you to print out your label. Tell you the date that you got to ship it by. This phone has to be turned in by April 22nd. You have your printed out receipt. You're going to fold it. This portion of the paper is going to go inside the box. This part which you printed out, this is going to go inside the box. The same box that they shipped the phone to you in is the same box you're going to return it. You're going to take this paper that's inside the box that came with your phone. You're going to take this paper out, because you're going to replace that paper with this. You're going to place this inside the box. Then you're going to take your phone and wrap it back in the same paper they sent you. You're going to put it in like that. You're going to seal your box, and then that label, peel the old label off. You can peel it off, or you can just take the label over it. Now see how this doesn't fit, because see, it's too big. So what you can do, you can either fold it or cut it to fit the side of the box. And there you have it. You tape your label down with some clear tape, and your box will be ready to be shipped off to FedEx.
Like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Comment, subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.
And like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.